My bad, boys, my bad. I was just trying to get these links sent in anyways. But I was saying, boys, LG paid today. For the shorts. If you got in the shorts, I know some people must have got into motherfucking shorts. Yeah, sorry, boys. Mike's on now. Mike should be on now. Mike is on now, right? Are we good? Are we good? I think we're good. There we go. But yeah, ALG shorts today were fucking perfect, boys. I'm actually kicking myself I didn't get in on a challenge. I didn't really want it on my main just because against trend, but again, I think the short down was so good. I mean, we've seen it this week and last week. I was saying this to a few of the boys this morning. Clips and Sam, I think it was. And I was saying, like, bro, we've been seeing this. We've been seeing it play out for the last few days now. It's pretty much been we're starting to see that Euro actually has that sell-off in the morning, which pushes price down into that good area. Because if we just look at sort of what happened yesterday, right, was a full day of retracing, right? We know this. It was a full day of retracement. Lou caught a nice short on live. I caught a nice short on live just for the retracement. And as soon as we started hitting like 7:30 and start moving into the PM session, we started to move back up. So we asked for this, boys. I remember we asked this at the start of the week, last week. We asked for price to come to get retraced into these areas so we can go ahead and buy it in the discount, which is exactly what we wanted to do. It's just annoying it's coming out at a discount in sort of these times. But bearing in mind, we are bouncing out of this discount zone and we are nowhere near the highs of this range. So our next target in terms of internal to external should be these highs. We're nowhere near it. So potential positions are 100% still there for the long. So that's what we're kind of going to be hoping we can get this session, or if we continue to move down, We've got no fair values at the moment, which is fucking shit. It's not been the tastiest price action this week, by any means. But let's see if we can get that long up. I really hope we can. We still got. I'll get that up in a sec. Bro, why do I feel like I've got like every 80-year-old woman's haircut, bro? Who's white? Also, is my monitor fucking? What do you man reckon about that? I feel like I've kind of got a haircut like an old white lady. That's I know how I feel right now. TikTok, give me 2 seconds. Kind of how I feel. What do you man reckon about that? Shut up, mate, bro. I feel like I've kind of got a... I remember, yes, I didn't actually end up getting the links out, which was a mistake of mine. Nice. How we doing, boys? How we doing? George, what's good, man? Cam, what's good? Josh, what's fucking good? Josh, where was you this morning, man? Where was you, brother? Fletch, what we saying, bro? They haven't got back to me yet, but I sent your email over. I don't know if you've got if you've heard anything yet. Elmi, what we saying, broski? Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're good, man. Vish, what's good, bro? At least you haven't got the blue rinse of an old lady. You haven't got the blue rinse of an old lady. What do you mean, Moms? I feel like that could be a foul thing. Tony, how we doing, my boy? I'm doing good, bro. I hope you're well, man. I hope you're well. Pascal! How we doing, bro? What we saying, man? What we saying? I should have posted a video on the TikTok, actually. Fuck. Should have posted a video. Right, let's get some fucking tunes on, boys. Let's kick it off with some tunes. But that's really what we're waiting for. Sort of the same as what we was doing yesterday, is we want to confirm if price is still going to continue down on this sort of 15-minute time frame, or we're going to start having that reversal back up and start looking at the move for the externals, which is the move what we want, right? We still have weight on the dollar, which isn't great. We've already had the hike of the exact same thing as I was saying yesterday, boys, in terms of the interest rate decision. It was going to come out quite strong for the dollar. We was going to see that, and then we was going to get the weakness come through from the dovish side of things. So yeah, again, more weight on the dollar, pushing it to the pushing it to the downside, helping EU have that move up. But again, let's see what New York session brings. Let's have a look, boys. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. But yesterday, even though price, we wasn't able to get price to the upside. Well, we did in the end. Well, no, we didn't actually. It looked like it did, but didn't. But we still ended up catching those shorts back down, which is fucking lovely. And again, boys, I reckon any trades on this live, I'm probably just going to chuck on a 200k challenge account for the literal fuck of it. Where the fuck's my homepage, man? Why is it loading everything but the homepage? Nicky, how we doing, man? I'm just trying to become a big content. That's shorts, that's not the right thing. Oh, mate, I have to start it with this tune, bro. I'm sorry, this song, mate. Mate. Painful out of trade, trust me, man. Painful. What are we saying for GJ? We're at pretty high levels. Really, we do want to see a retracement back down a little bit. I mean, bearing in mind, buyers on GJ is a bit sticky with the intervention right now with Japan, so. Maybe it's just a trade through on the, maybe it's just a trade back into on the higher, and that might just be what we have. The fucking what on, bro? The shit? The shit are you on, brother? Tell me what we saying, Tommy. How the fuck are we doing, Tommy, man? Send it, Josh. Send it, man. we're gonna be listening to Carly Minogue in about 5 minutes time. External low CRT. Are we talking about GJ here? I'm in EG. That's the painful one. EG's been painful this whole week. I think the only time it was actually good was yesterday. I think that's the only time it was actually decent. Is it too loud? Let me turn it down. Sorry, I was getting gas on that channel. How can you actually not? Let's be honest. But yeah, I think yesterday EG was the nicest one. But DTO, man, you can't fault EG DTO. I think one thing to note about it is that price. There's the chance of it coming back to the DTO. And again, this is what I had on. This is what Stu had placed. And I think he can. I don't know if he cancelled him. I think he might have. Bro, what the fuck is going on with my chart, man, bro? I feel like someone's working against me and pushing my chart in the other direction while I'm trying to push it to the right. Lagging heavily here. Bro, are you taking the fucking piss? Yeah, EG yesterday was probably, I'll be honest, the only position you really wanted to get into. In terms of this whole week of EG. I think I've had about 2 EG positions to place this week, both cancelled limit. But again, EU ran beautifully today, which is exactly the sort of moves we want to be happening. New York session, I was looking for price to have that manoeuvre upwards. Okay, I'm really trying to get this 200k pass with those this EU. I think EU's been really good this week. Even like for the shorts, it's been nuts. There's been no longs for it, which I think are the main positions. But the shorts for it have been a joke, man. They're coming in abundance. I'm still in the EU South in London. What are you aiming for, bro? You aiming for like you aiming for the Pride? What are you going for there, bro? What are you going in there for? I'm targeting the external low to the weekly CRT. You ain't playing about, bro. What the fuck? Oh, we've hit it, bro. Yeah, we hit that. We hit that yesterday. Or are we looking at different ones? Wait, you're talking about AG, aren't you, Sam? Yeah. Which one? I fancy AG continuations as well, 100%. It's a bit much, but yesterday New York low. I'd say one thing, right, with EG, and I hate saying this to people that already trade shit, because it's almost like, mate, shut the fuck up, like, I trade this, but I get it, like, I totally get it. I find it annoying when someone says shit like this. But what I've noticed with EG, right, is that the best positions are the quickest ones. EG moves very quick, but it also ranges quite heavily. And I think the best RR I've ever seen for EG, and this is mainly for EU and GU as well, in terms of hitting the highest win rate, which I think with EG is crucial, because the pip size makes it mad difficult to trade, especially with on prop firms and with spreads. So you kind of have to have, you can't really have a tight stop loss with it, right? So that's like sort of one of the reasons I'd say EG 1 to 2 RR are fucking unreal. 1 to 2 are exactly like this. Like, what's this? 1 to 2.3. Like, this type of position, I would say, is absolutely perfect for EG in terms of sort of the moves it has. It ranges so much. I mean, I don't know what you've seen. Let me know what you've seen, bro. But for me, 1 to 2s on EG, fucking probably the most perfect RR for it. What's your average RR on win rate? Win rate is 52. I think 52.5 it was last year. On challenges, which I had more aggressive trades, and I think I had on my actual main fundies, my win rate was just under 3R. But my average R now, even including this year, is about 2.7R. For me, between 2.5 and 3R is so perfect when trading that short intraday ALG move. Honestly, if you can get 4 to 1s, bro, golden. But 1 to 2s, to 1 to 2.5 to 1 to 3s, I love them, bro. I love them. What do you think of high RR traded? I like trading 6R plus. Bro, honestly, it works for everyone. A different psychological. I mean, for me, bro, I love being in and out of the markets. As not as quick as possible, obviously. But what's been easiest for me, and what is cyst, bro? I've seen bear man talking about cyst, bro. It's a fucking horrible word to say. Cyst. I want to punch you in your skull, man. I'm not gonna lie. But sorry. So what do you think of high R trading? Like I said, again, man, like everyone's profitable. There's so many ways to be profitable, right? There's no golden way. But I can only say for me, right? And I would say for me, the best I've ever traded is when I was hitting lower RRs. So I used to trade high RRs like maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. And I was getting good results, really good results. But then also I was hitting more losses in a row than what my funded accounts could take. So then what I can only really do is lower my risk. But then if I lower my risk, I'm earning less. And plus, from a psychological point of view, I'm going to be in these trades for longer. And yeah, psychologically for me, lower R is way better. And for me, I don't mess with psychological. And again, it's like factual as well. You've got more of the sense of the max losses. The higher your RR average will be, the more losses in a row you're going to have. Normally, on average, right? That's normally how it works. And if you've got too many that a funded account's not going to allow on a max drawdown perspective, or a daily perspective, let's just say, then you're going to lose your funded accounts. It doesn't matter how much percent you make. If you lose too many trades in a row, it's going to be awful. And again, you can make loads of money in terms of a year, but you might have like 2-month period where you lose about 20% or something, which is, I mean, it doesn't even need to be 20%. What is it, like 10% on most portfolios, max drawdown? 12, I think, max. So you're risking 1%, 12 trades. You can definitely take 12 trades in a row and still be profitable, 1,000,000%. If you're trading on a personal account, different story, I 100% get it. But funded accounts, I think lower RR is better. You're gonna, because I promise you, at some point you're gonna run into a lot of losses, man. Especially if you've got like 1 to 6 plus, like 1 to 10s, 1 to 15s, 1 to 20s. There's no point in going for those trades, man. I'll be honest, most prop firms won't even want to fucking pay you out of the trade. And again, the reason I'm saying this is because, let's be honest, we'll fucking trade prop firm. I reckon all of us in here trade prop firm, will. So, my win rate is pretty high, then perfect, bro. Absolutely perfect. You've got nothing to worry about, then. Keep everything the same. But that's it, but you know what I mean? But more time when people do have that lower win rate. Sorry, let me play that tune now. But when you do have a higher win, RR on average, you do tend to have a lower win rate, do you know what I mean? But obviously the way you make up for it is in RR, that's, you know what I'm saying? But I would say if you go for high RR, bro, take advantage of personals, man. Take advantage of personals. Risk 5% if you've got a high win rate. I'd say go at both. Because personals you can scale heavily. Plus a lot of prop firms got unreal bonuses, so every time you deposit, they'll just chuck leverage in there for you. So you just have more to trade. Wait, bro, I had the word, I had the whole, did I copy and paste from this chat? That'd be a little bit easier. Well, I can, bro, nice. Mates, bro, when you go for a payout, do you use Coinbase for your wallet? No, I'll be honest, I've done payouts in crypto probably 5 times, maximum. I've never used crypto for payouts. I always do bank transfer. For me, it's easier. Straight into the business bank. It's easier. Or sometimes if I kind of I don't need it to go in there, I'll just let it sit in Rise, and just have money settling in Rise. And then because the thing is, if it's in Rise, you're not gonna get charged. Okay, I'm not gonna say this. I'm not gonna say anything here. That's a Discord thing, I think. I don't know why. You know what I mean? That's a bit more of a Discord thing. The EU trade went crazy. I actually had an EU trade before. I also short, but I didn't aim for the Asia lows. Very nice day for me. Lovely stuff, bro. I mean, even still, man. Even still, whatever the fuck you aim for, man, well done, bro. If you've got a dub trade, man, well done. Trust me, man, never be upset with a win, but also don't be too fucking happy because, I mean, you should never be. Remove all those emotions, man, even the happy ones. That sounds horrible. Sounds horrible, but you gotta be so. Oh, here you. Right, son. Here we go. Right, boys, we're gonna see a trade through this 5 minute at the bare minimum for us to actually see some form of movement to the upside, or we could just be continuing down. We're just going to confirm this by this 5 minute, or is this 15? It's a 15 actually. Do y'all have a crypto strat? Nah, bro, we don't, man. Nah, I've never really been into crypto, bro. I'll be honest, I've never really massively been into crypto. In my opinion, I mean, crypto you can invest in. I think crypto, in my opinion, is a bit more invested. I think you're better off investing it. I think FX, you're better off trading it. The same way in the stock market, I guess you kind of got both in this. I mean, realistically, you got stocks and equities. Stocks you'd normally trade, equities you normally invest in. Do you know what I mean? They're sort of that's what I'd say before it was crypto. Crypto's a bit more investing. You can invest it a lot more. Unless you trade like altcoins and shitcoins and all that bullshit. All that pump fund stuff. Then you could definitely trade it on a fucking tiny time frame. But I'll be honest, there's even more manipulation when you start trading on those pump funds and all that. And like low market cap cryptos and shit. Anything low market, really. Mate, it's going to end the longs. That all depends on if the setup comes, brother. It all depends if the setup comes. We'll have a look. We're really going to be told with this 15 minute. Again, if we trade through, we could definitely see that move up. If we don't, then we might continue to see the move down. I don't really want to jump to any conclusions just yet. At all. EG shorts from 866. I'll be honest, DTO always. I mean, if you're looking to short DTO, 100%. I wouldn't go anywhere else. I wouldn't go any lower. Where's 86? Wait, what did you say? 86617. I mean, price is yeah. I mean, what time frame are we looking at on the 5? Must be on the lower, no? You got a YouTube. I'll be real, boys. That is actually where I'm mainly on stream. But yeah, boys, just comment on YouTube. Might be real, comment on YouTube. Let me get off my mobile phone, 2 seconds. It's the same as what's up there. Are you sure? So it depends, again, it massively depends what we do now. It massively depends on what it's doing now. Wait, why does my thing look like it's not straight? Is that my phone or is that my monitor? Whoa, this is actually hard, Josh. I know it's actually a very nice beat. Motherfucker, move, motherfucker. That actually looks quite nice. Smash it, man. Appreciate you, Kai, man. Appreciate it, brother. 5 minute order, but what are you in, Tommy? EG shorts. Oh, sorry, you're in the EG shorts. Oh shit, nice, bro. Nice. Nice. Wait, are you in? Wait, sorry, I'm fucking confused. Are you in or are you in? Oh, the 5 minute order, so you're not actually in yet. Will unemployment claims affect all pairs or just USD pairs? Well, I'll be honest, thing to note about the FX market is the dollar is the main driver of it. Bearing in mind, most shit, from an international standpoint, is based in dollars. So I'll be honest, it affects every market in it. But I think the best way to look at it, if it's weak dollar, it's normally bullish everything else. That's why I like trading GU and EU. That's why trading against the dollar is the best thing to do. Because it gives so much of a better market bias. Dollar is the king of the FX market. It's the king currency at the moment. Has been for a number of years. Ever since the fucking global trade was actually a thing. International global trade was actually a thing. It's been an absolute powerhouse in this world. Whatever dollar does has an effect on every other currency. Has an effect on most other fucking markets that we have, to be brutally honest with you. Especially in the case of like de-dollarization right now. Which I'm going to keep bringing up, considering someone actually brought up to me, bro. Who the fuck brought it up again? I can't remember who actually brought it up. I was about to do. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. I mean, what time do we have our unemployment? Is it 1:30? What's the time now? It's 1. What is it actually? Is it 1:30, right? But bearing in mind, it looks weak for the dollar. Higher unemployment claims is obviously weak for the currency. More weak for the economy, not really the currency. It's probably going to have some form of an effect. But hopefully, that's when we can look at possible EU buys. We'll see how it goes, though, man. We'll see how it goes. Have a trick you can use on TradingView if you need to rest the view on the chart. Rest the view on the chart. Press Alt and R. Are you fucking with me or some shit? I can't tell if you're pissing on me, mate. Can't tell, Josh. All plus I. It's actually not coming up with nothing for me. Zoom in on the chart and press Alt R. No, it comes up with something else for me. It's like the name. It comes up with run. What's that? Why is I pressing the wrong one? Wait, bro, you're waiting. What the fuck? What are you even on about, broski? Yeah, it resets my chart for me. What do you mean resets your chart? I think I was pressing the wrong button, I think. Hey, mate, this fucking fella stop inviting me. I'm going to tell him, actually, for a hot sec. Mate, invite me again, I'll do you in, end of, right? Stop inviting me. Stop inviting me, I'll do you in. Donut. I can told that bit. 5-star. Thank you, TikTok, man. Fuck me. What the fuck is wrong with people? If I cancel your invite, thank you. Fuck off! Come on, let's get this trade through now. G, you could also do the exact same thing, which could be nice. Bear in mind, the pound is stronger than the euro at the moment. That's sort of the reason why we're short in EG. UK data's been insane the last couple of months. My brethren's belling in, bro. What are you waiting on EU? This fair value gap. If I have to say it again, I will probably have to put my hands on one of you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I will have to put my hands on it. I've actually misplaced this 15 as well. There we go. We're looking for a trade through or a continuation of. So if we close, I mean the move up we've not closed out. We're 4 minutes into this candle. We're going to see if we're going to close to the downside or to the upside. Send you a video on Discord. Oh no, you sent it, bro. Oh what? The reset the chart. Let's have a look. Oh, that's fucking hard, bro. Yeah, mine don't do that. Mine just comes up with some bullshit. Let me press it. What about control? Well, ain't that one. What about the right alt? No, that's not. FN's R? FNR. Control R? This R. Yeah, bro, don't do it for me, bro. Bro, that's actually quite sick, though. How the fuck do you find that one out as well, pal? This is a banger. Get the trade through, bro. Let's get that trade through. 91 people on the YouTube. Boys, let's for the first time for a New York session get 100 man on the YouTube, bro. If you're not on the YouTube, boys, get them blood blood on it. Get on there, boy. If we get that trade through, those longs in the EU is coming true. Can I actually play these straight from our thing, Josh? Wait, hold on, let me test that. Can I play it straight from here? Oh, it shows you like a short 15-minute. I ain't got Spotify, I don't think, on my PC. Let me go through these tunes though. Are we getting it straight through? What's this thing? Man, what's fucking good, man? John, what's good, mate? So if I hold through news, will ACG write off my account? No. That's not how it works, boys. It's if you place your trade like 5 minutes before news comes out. Like with it, like say if news comes out at like 1:30, I'm pretty sure it's 5 minutes. It might be 10. I can't actually remember, but you can't place a trade like 5 minutes before news or 5 minutes after. I think it is. I'll be honest, boys. Just don't. If you're already in the trade, bro, you're sweet. But at the same time, bro, I wouldn't be in the trade. I mean, what are you in? Are you in an EU buy? You're probably alright, mate. If I'm being honest, we should really see that we could. I mean, again, I'm going off forecast, boys. I'm not 100% sure. I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy now. After the news comes out, really. Actually, no, fuck it, bro. I mean, I'll be honest. I'm not placing on live funding. I'm placing this on the challenge, obviously. But I'm pretty going in regardless, bro. Nah, not yet. Right. It's just this trade for me. This next fit. Oh, I've raised my face up here. Sorry, legs. Sorry, boys. Wait, why is it wonky as well, mate? I'm gonna have to get a level out. Oh, fucking hell, go on here, you. What's the context behind trade? Just ALG, bro. It's a strategy we've been training since my balls are quite small, actually. No, it's just ALG, bro. If you've ever heard of the ALG strat, what it essentially is, let's just say this is Asia session, right? Let's actually just get the Asia session. Let's actually just use price action, so drop to the 5. So every single morning, we want to see price essentially come and grab the Asia high or low. If it grabs the high, we look to short. If it grabs the low, we look to buy. Simple as that. So that is sort of the context behind it. The London sweep of Asia liquidity. Essentially what he's waiting for is we're waiting for price to trade through, which we did. We trade through this 5 minute, and then we look to get back at this 5 minute here, which price obviously did. And then we continue down all the way, aiming for those Asian lows, because the rule essentially is sweep for the high, sweep for the low. That's what London liquidity should, well, that's what Asian liquidity strategy should really take. And now we're looking for, essentially, because we've grabbed the sell side liquidity, so the lows. Have a little guess. Yes, we're looking for the buyers right back up. Why? Because we're mainly bullish on EU, because that is sort of it's sort of a sell dollar story at the moment in the FX market. We've still got to wait a good 8 minutes for this to come through, really. Who is Jack Marlowe, bro? Jack Marlowe. Is that like a fucking joke? Oh, that was this tune I was literally just listening to as well. Just realised that. What's this one saying? Trade is amazing sometimes, it is amazing. With S&T, divergence. Did GU come grab the high? I'm pretty sure GU did, no? Yeah, no, there was no divergence. GU still grabbed the Asia high. So in terms of EU and GU is normally where I'd look at my S&T divergence. DXY, we also did grab the low of Asia, so yeah, there was no divergence there, man. But we didn't need, I'll be honest, we didn't really need divergence. We've seen the open of Europe session be the exact same pretty much most of this week, which has been sell initially. No, I'm only joking, not gonna full port. No, don't fucking full port, bro. Holy shit! Not full port, boy. Gonna put half a risk. Is that on a challenge you chucking it on, John? You profitable, bro? Yes, bro. I've been for a good number of years now. DXY's Melwin, that is what we're hoping for, brother. We're hoping for the buyers up on EU now. The reason why, to give a little bit more context, is we've come down, and yesterday was the perfect retracing day to come and fill the imbalance to the left, which pretty much was the whole premise of yesterday, which for me was kind of untradeable, which is fine because now we've developed that retracement back in, and now in terms of the internal to external rule, we are looking for the external high as we've now filled internal. So that is sort of what we're looking for New York, which I'm excited about. Let's see if we can get any longs for it. All in balance on the lower time frame as well to the left has been filled, so I think we're good to move whenever, really. We've got 5 minutes left of this 15, and then we'll sort of eye up from there. Below the prior day 50, we've taken Asia's low. Man, I fucking like the look of this motherfucker. We already caught the shorts this morning. Well, some people did in the pre-London. GJ, a lot of people still looking at GJ, bro. Are we joking? EU looks fucking unreal right now. Right, let's have a look at GJ though. Why am I sitting like this, bro? None of you man can actually see how I'm sitting, but I'm sitting in probably top 3 most times. Don't know if I said. Sorry, TikTok, and I have to pause you for a second. I'm probably sitting in like probably top 3 most gayest ways to sit. I can't even reach you to turn you down, but probably one of the gayest ways a man can sit. You wouldn't guess the way I'm sitting. News was somewhat dovish neutral. Sorry, what news are we talking about, Simon? What news, sorry, bro? I'm gonna have a limit bomb in the 15-minute IFVG. I'm with you on that one, Brody. I'll be real. I'm with you on that. Yesterday's news, yeah, man. Yeah, I'll be honest. This is the tone of the Fed, right? And it has been at the start of the year. It was hold because again, Powell isn't going to cut interest rates off no bad data, right? There's no need, and Powell isn't someone to do that. But Trump obviously is heavily wanting them to come down in order to actually get rid of or lower the US debt. Let me put that tune on that flex there too. So what's it called? So yeah, the tone on the Fed right now, again, I said this I said this for about 3 hours on New York Session Live yesterday. Feel free to go back and watch. We are dovish hold. That was essentially the move of the Fed. That is what we was going to have. That's exactly what we had. Bit more neutral than I thought, but again, it kind of makes sense because Powell doesn't want to fucking cut interest rates if there's no reason to. Data hasn't been awful out of the US. It's just the uncertainty, political uncertainty, mainly with the Fed. Oh, EU, you better fucking close above that fair value. I'm going to do some very weird things to you. I mean that as well from the bottom of my heart. What's your bias right now? It depends on what pair you're on about, bro. What pair are you thinking? GU sells. Where are you looking to short GU, bro? What's your thoughts? On EU main bias, I'm looking for price to move up. More on the 5 to 15. We're still in the bearish leg. So what I'm really wanting from EU is to see if we're going to trade through this 15, or if we're going to come close back within and just continue to the downside. So lower time frames could go either way. Higher time frame, I'm still looking for the main buyers. So yeah, that's sort of where we are at the moment. I was expecting these to come down further, to be fair, to the 30-minute order block. So have a look what a 30-minute is. What, like from like down here? I'm in GU for 1.383, TP around 375. Let's have a little look, sorry, boy. 1383. And you're looking to come down to 75. Is that like Friday low? Yeah, looking like sort of like Friday low, right? Yeah, we'll see how it does here. I feel like it's vital. This next 15 minutes is vital for both VU and GU. Very vital for you, GU. I agree with longs. We close above 198885. Longs are clear, in my opinion. Yeah, defo, bro. We tried talking about 9885. 9885. Oh, this high here, bro. Yeah. I'm honestly looking for it to reverse for this fair value in order for me to look to long. I'll be honest, I'm looking to risk on this challenge. I'm happy to risk a long here. How about gold? Any chances for buyers? Yeah, 100%, but I would it's difficult to get in the buys, you know, in sort of the area we're at. It is quite difficult. But I would allow a liquidity sweep. I would say only get into trades when we broke this low. And then get back in off that leg. Very similar to what we had yesterday, so we created a low, swept it again at like 3:30, like 3 o'clock, 3:30, and then we boomed again for the rest of the session. Which is essentially exactly what we was looking at for yesterday's New York. So we'll look for that. I'll be on the stream anyway, I'll be covering it. I'll be covering until about 3:30, bro, so. I'll have loads of shit on my chart. Some stuff I'm placing, some stuff, I'll be honest, I'm not. I don't trade gold, that's definitely away from that. Do you reckon it'll go down and have a balance? What's that? Are we talking about gold? That gold. I'll be honest. At all-time highs, you can't assume that. Yeah, I'll be honest. Like what I've noticed for gold in the years I've been trading, you can't assume, right, that it's going to come down to certain areas. Especially if we trade forex and we trade like premium and discount and stuff. I think it is the worst thing for gold because you are going to leave so much money on the table because gold moves. It just doesn't move off prior days and shit. It just doesn't. I'll be honest. Like we've seen it run for the last 2 years. We've seen it fucking just continuously run in one direction, barely fucking retracing. We've had a few retracements here and there. One big one over the 2 years, but ultimately moved up probably what 300 to 400 times our original price. That's a percent. Sorry, not X. Okay. What limit play? So we closed. Oh shit, we closed. No, I forgot the limit! Oh no, we closed above. Fuck! I'm getting back in this. I'm gonna have to get in this fair value here. I'm gonna have to get in at this fair value, boys. I'm gonna have to pause you for a second. Boys, let's get on this. I'm getting in this on a challenge. I don't give a shit. We're getting in this. We're gonna go for this high, this fair value. Those G-longs look so tasty as well, bro. I'm not gonna fucking lie, lads. I don't know if I prefer the pound. Just off the basis that G should really come down. No. 11 lots? This is a fucking 200k account. We're going to end up here. We're going tight stop as well. And your feet are headed for the door. Gotta keep on dancing and prancing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop your crying, choosing while you're cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. At 12 midnight I'll be waiting for you. So don't forget what you have to do. Gotta keep on dancing. This better not run. If this runs, I'm not answering any more fucking questions on this live until I'm fucking come off this. If this runs to TP, boys, I will not answer another single fucking question, I swear to God. Bro, there's no way. I swear to God, there is no fucking way. This better not run to TP. I promise you, I will fuck someone up. I will pick one of you fuckers. And I will fuck one of you up. I think it was someone on TikTok. Bro, this better come out to entry. Otherwise I'm gonna beat someone's dick off. I'm gonna be saying, I'll beat someone's dick off. I'll be so gang with you, man. That's the point. Actually managed to miss entry. You motherfucker, bro. You taking the piss? I swear down, bro. I will beat someone up. News. Fuck it, we're running through news, bro. News should bring us in. Let's hope it's with us, though. Holy fuck. Oh, you're in, are you, Christos? I'm fucking happy for you, mate. Really happy for ya. Fucking really happy for ya. Mate, if I don't get entered, I promise you, someone's getting done in. Someone's gonna have to receive it. Oh, it's annoying because the YouTube chat is actually back in time, bro. You man on YouTube are like 30 seconds or like 20 seconds in the past. So if you man told me that in a Discord call, it would have been sweet, would have been clean. I would be in this, and I'll probably already be like a bag, 2 bags up already. But no. I've got EU limit placed. Oh, my EU's entered. And I'm here without a fucking trade, boys! For fuck's sake. You better come back, though, bro. Fucking better. No way it missed me. Oh, bro, it missed me too. You're good, man. At least it's another fucker in my position, bro. I'll be so good. I'll be real with you. So what do you mainly trade? What do you mainly trade, bro? I trade EU and GU. Asian liquidity. That's me, bro. I've traded the exact same thing since fucking 22, bro. If I'll be honest with you, 21, 22. Here's what I've been lucky with the entry for once this week. Mate, I've been unlucky this week, about 3 positions. But no, at least you're in, bro. At least you're in, man. At least you're in. We see how it goes, though, boys. We see how it goes. For me, this is sort of higher risk because of the market we haven't, and what we've seen the last few days. So that's why, for me, it's on the challenge. And again, it's outside the kill zone for me to long it. Because it's more of a New York trade, right? It's a New York trade, this I would say. We come into half one. We've got news in about 10 minutes, which hopefully is on our side. If it ain't... yeah, it's not great. It's not fucking great, really. Well, realistically, if you're not in, boys, you're probably gonna have to... You're probably gonna have to cancel limit in, like, 3 minutes if you're not in it already. Better than man, innit? Bro, why does... Man, I need to put my screen down, bro. I need to put these monitor arms down a little bit. Can I do that? Oh, no. It's just only got, like, tighten up and shit, bro. Yeah, I might be able to, you know. Oh, it's a tight... it's a fuck... It's one of them ones, bro. Here's one of them ones. We're actually somewhat coming back now, which is nice. Just nice. Mate, you never guess what? Go on, hit me. Fucking hit me. I'm in GJ Longs. Nice, bro. What are these positions? I've been hearing a lot of you. Sorry, guys. I think I've sort of ignored some of you, man, looking at GJ. I haven't actually. Vito is saying, oh yeah, I kind of did want. Oh yeah, that's what I said about it. I did want to see price come down a little bit. The issue is, I passed my P2 with QT, bro. Let's fucking go, man. Bro, how many funded trades have we had since the start of this year, blood? Bro, I don't even know. I don't even fucking know. Decent handful, is what I'll say. Decent handful. Lovely fucking stuff. Received my funded account today, but they placed me on a lot restriction of 1 to 10. Wait, 1 to 10 leverage, bro. Motherfuckers, bro. What was the reason? The issue is I need to get 5 days with minimum 0 to 5% to get paid. Wait, bro, why have they done that, man? See, bro, this is what I meant by these, man. MH. Motherfuckers, bro. Bro, you do that fuck tape, man. That is wrong, bro. That's actually wrong, you know. That is wrong. Yeah. Come down a little bit there, pal, yeah? Come down a little bit. For the love of God, we've got news coming out in just under 5 minutes. UJ Shorts, Asia range equal low. The thing, yeah, I kind of want to see Asia low get swept on GJ. That's kind of what I would... Even still, I find it hard to long GJ when we've got the intervention of the yen, where we're going to have somewhat mass buying of the yen over and mass selling of the dollar. I find it difficult for me to buy GJ or even look at GJ for that instant. I reckon you might have some good short positions, bro. I'll be honest with you, man. I think there's going to be some really nice short positions on GJ. I don't want to be a dickhead because it sounds like most of you man is shorting. But you know what? I'm going to go against you, dudes. I'm against you, man, on this one. I'm against you guys on this one. 2 to 1 on that bitch. Let's see how that runs. I'm not going to play sixes. I'm not a yen dude. But let's prove a little point here. G's running well. No, you come down. You come back down! We're probably not going to move until news now. You know unemployment claims? Yes, Nemo. Yes, brother. What's the question you got, man? Boys, by the way, if you're on a TikTok, I mainly stream on YouTube. Come jump on YouTube. That is my YouTube right there. But you can see my whole screen. No, the main chat's in there. The main chat's right in there. We're currently looking for, if you just join, we're currently looking for EU buyers. Silly question though, is 1 to 10 leverage, basically I can't use more than 10 lots. No, bro, I'll be honest, I don't know how it really works in terms of the technicals, but all I know is that you are massively limited to what lot size you can use. Or your lot sizes are going to be smaller. 1 to 10. Your lot sizes will have to be a lot smaller. You earn a lot less. You'll be risking a lot less on your trades. Put it that way. That's a fucker, bro. I'll be honest. That's a bastard. Like, Stu's got a 1 to 30 leverage funded account, which is more of a swing trading account from Samuel & Co. And the leverage 1 to 30, and he says it's like, honestly, it's good to have because you can earn from it, right? It's great, but it's just shit. That limits you so much, man. Obviously, normal prop firm accounts are 1 to 100 leverage. So going from a 1 to 100 down from 1, oh, EU don't. EU don't even fucking do that, bro. Don't you fucking dare, man. Don't you dare. Bro, I swear down, if I streamed less, I would pass bare challenges, bro. Bare fucking challenges, man. I hope this unemployment claims comes out bare weak for you. I hope it comes out bare low. You man just get fucking stopped out. I'm against you, man, now, man. I used to help you dudes, now I'm fucking against your way. Handstand. Mate, I'm really sad. Can you try a handstand again to cheer me up? Bro, do you know how much that... Bro, you know I've still got, like, a little mark from when I tried it. Okay, fine. We'll try it one more... Fine, we'll try it one last time. Oh, it's so good, though, bro. You know what? No, I can't, innit? I'm gonna have to say no to a handstand. I can't do that again. I haven't really been practicing. Let me practice a bit and I'll come back and I'll be able to handstand on stream. Okay, cool. You know what? If this comes back to entry and TPs, I will learn a handstand on the stream and I'll be able to hold it for at least 5 seconds. We got about, what, a minute and a half? Not even that, about a minute. Do a flip. Fucking hell. Promise you, if I did a flip, bro, I would go straight through the floor, man. I promise you I'd end up in my kitchen. Or we could be coming back to entry here. Right, let's keep our eyes on unemployments. Coming out about sub 40 seconds now. What did I just have up on the left side of my... But we'll see, man. We'll fucking see how it goes. Man said do a flip, blood. Boys, hey, jump into YouTube, man. I want to hit 100 viewers. We need to hit 100 viewers for the New York Live. We need to. Also, what do you reckon about the shorts? I just found these again, bro. I was wearing these actively in Thailand, and I completely forgot I owned these. And these are actually probably the 30 shorts I own. Come on, unemployment claims. How you coming out for us? How you coming out for us? How you coming out? How you coming out? How you coming out? And it come out even higher than expected. So even weaker dollar. What about trade balance? How did trade balance come out? Expected to come out really bad. How did that come out? Oh, even lower. That's actually, yeah, that's not great for the dollar. That's not great for the dollar. Hopefully this can come back to entry though. Hopefully we can come back to entry here. Please. You got a limit. I do have a limit place. Sorry boys, TikTok, I'm gonna have to pause you. I'm gonna show the live the limit. Boys, if you're not on the YouTube, jump on there. We show all trades placed on there. Get the fuck on there, man. This is the YouTube right here. All I really need. Oh, did I? Okay, no, yeah, that is awful for the US. This is the limit I got. Oh, I completely forgot to fucking. Oh, bro. I completely forgot to text this person, so I'm mad fucking shit. I literally just noticed it. And I was halfway going through that thing with Aki as well. But hopefully we do come back to entry. Where's EG? Oh my days, bro. I told you, though, DTO. DTO it comes back to. It loves it. Re-entries DTO daily is what you really want. I forgot I'm still on TikTok. When you're in Lou first started trading, how did you use balance trading and work and lifestyle? It was difficult, bro, but to be fair, luckily, like, when I was first getting profitable, I was still in college. So, yeah, I was quite easily able to just trade the whole London session, really. Just sitting in the back of college, trading the whole London session. Lou was doing, at that point, he actually started, he was doing quantity surveying. Luckily, he was obviously on the computer all day, so he also could sort of look at the London session. It was hard, but we used to trade a little bit more early. Obviously, we've always traded early London session, 8 AM. Some, like, before 7 AM entries were great as well. 7 AM, 8 AM, so like half 8, 9. So yeah, we kind of had our way around it. But again, I think the most part of trading you don't do in the live markets really at that stage, especially when you're just trying to refine your strategy. Back testing's key, and just forward, like you can literally. I'll be honest, like you don't even need to trade. I mean, you kind of do, but like, once you've got a strategy, I think it's good just to get to an end of a day, or like chart something up for the start of the day. Don't look at the charts, don't place anything. Come back at the end of the day or tomorrow and see how well it went. And just keep doing that, so you can actually understand if you've got some form of proper thing. Journal everything, and we'll go from there. But I'll be honest, try and make time in your morning. I know everyone like has a job and shit, but try and make time in the morning, like especially around like 8 AM. Come back to anything, dude. Nice, John. I'll speak to you in a bit, brother. In a bit. What other positions are we looking at? Are we still looking at EG shorts? I still like those. We've come back down to the, we'll come back up, sorry, to the DTO. So I still like those positions. I still really like that. GU's, yeah, same as EU, just sitting around, pissing about. Again, DXY is doing the exact same as well. All of our players moving very similar, which is great. All nice. Nice. Get me the fuck in there. All the shit in there. Gold buyers. Let's have a look at the gold buyers. Again, I still want to see a sweep of at least these lows. Maybe not Asia, but at least these lows. EU should be entered now. Yep, we're entered. Let's hope it chills the fuck out though. It's moving quite erratic. Chill the fuck out. Chill out, brother. I'm in EU. Let me double check. I should be in EU. Yeah, I'm in EU, lads. We're in. Let's see if we get this move up now. I'm gonna come back and I'll make another coffee, hopefully we're decently in profit, lads. When 4 hour closes should be better. We'll have a little loop. I'm pretty sure we don't have any CRT on our side, do we? Where are my fucking high time frame candles, bro? Yeah, we completed the previous 4 hour. Yeah, no daily. The stop loss is very tight. EU weight candle closed. No, we in, brother. We in, brother. Regardless, we in. Again, I honestly still think G probably could be the nicer trade. Just off EG, really. Continue to go, motherfucker. Is you going to crash? Well, let's hope not, brother. That's really not what we're hoping for. Let's see how we move. The reaction of this fair value is important. But don't lose your call, bro. If you lose, you lose. We go again. If you win, you go again. Either way, we do the same thing again. So don't stress it, man. Regardless. No, we flip to another pair. We look at some shit else. EG, I think's the prime reason why I think G might have been a bit better, because we've got the strength of the pound on our side. Oh, for EG, yeah, 100%. 100%. But again, we haven't really been grabbing these high levels, really, have we? No, I did really. Wait, 2 6 boys. I thought like someone just texted. It's meant to tip some. How's EG going in? Favourably, I'd actually rather eat. Ow, that's hot. Fuck, bro. I forgot how freshly fresh that coffee was. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, it just cinched me hand. Oh, I went way too early for that coffee. I'm in this as well. What's your stop loss and why? I'll be honest, bro. I've got a tight stop loss. I wouldn't go with the stop loss I got. I'd go with a bigger stop loss. Cover the low. Cover the low. Or cover another low. Yeah, bro, this was a tight ass stop. Honestly, did it bare quick because obviously I was already too late because I was fucking answering someone's question on TikTok. But we've actually come off with a better trade. If we TP here, well, I've actually gone for a better trade, to be honest. But again, we'll see. We've still got ages. Patience is key, boys. Patience is key. We're not going to go for 5 minutes. Let's go on other pairs, man. Let's go on other pairs. JR40. How do we do with JR40? Continued down the whole day, okay. Very shit day. Again, weak stock market, nice currency. Hopefully we can get that. Nasdaq. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Honestly, again, I said it yesterday. We should really be buying Nasdaq just on the basis that we are losing on the dollar. Dollar is weakening. So that's why I would really say you would favour buyers on Nasdaq, really. Gold again, being a pain in the arse, not really having no movement. It would be nice to grab the Asia's low, considering we have had this sort of manoeuvre off. We haven't actually swept the high that we made, which is at all times at 5.6. But we are trembling back down. So hopefully we can see price come for the Asia low. And continue. Oh, EG. Right back at fucking entry. He's really nice. Hopefully we can keep going in that direction. EU very nice, missed it. No, we still got time, bro. We'll see what happens. We've had a nice reaction, but we'll see what happens. I mean, that reaction actually almost is going to give me an erection, to be very honest with you. That's a really nice tap in, but we'll see what happens. We could continue to move down. We'll never know. We'll let shit play out. But yeah, EG back to entry. Not gonna lie, I would like EG. I would low-key. Sorry if you're in EG shorts, but I would like this to stop loss. Just because I want the stronger euro than pound right now for these buys on EU. Oh, sorry to get you in the crossfire, but you're gonna have to be in the crossfire here. I low-key hope this shit stop losses. I'm in this as well. What's your stop? Oh, sorry, I already read that. Motherfucker. EG to complete ALG would help. Yeah, no, it definitely would. It definitely would. If it does actually want to come up. And again, that's sort of what we're looking at for gold as well. Sort of the exact same thing we're looking for gold. We've already sort of had the buyer side move of Asia. We haven't come down to that low again though, which is sort of where we want to see price come to. GJ, how are we doing on GJ? Again, I'm looking for the shorts. Who's still looking for the short, the longs in GJ? Not looking to force you, but to come back with protected low. Would you re-enter? Would I re-enter? I'll be honest. If I wasn't already in it, I probably wouldn't try and get back in, especially after the reaction off of this level, because we could now definitely just boom. Or if we do come for these, like, yeah, no, honestly, bro, I wouldn't get back in. Like, that would be the only entry. Mate, so you in this EU. All I'm gonna say is, John, is we're up $1.5 grand. Only on a 200k challenge. But yeah, that would be my advice, bro. I wouldn't really jump back in. Because again, I feel like that's a bit more of a FOMO move. Like if the move's like sort of missed, or sometimes it's not even missed. Sometimes you just genuinely wouldn't get in that move, innit? But if you didn't get in, then I wouldn't try and re-get in because we. Do you know what I mean? I think more time money's lost that way than gained. So I say if you just don't do it, then you won't. Do you know what I mean? It would stop you from actually wanting to do that. But I'll be honest, with the markets going, I don't think we're going to see a straight TP. I think on trades like EU that we've got now, we would see price fuck around for ages. I don't reckon you'll see price come and grab Asia's high so easy. If I'm being honest, going off the market we've seen, I don't think it's the buy's not going to be an easy trade, really. We'll see. Kelza, how we doing? Falls on GBP CAD, let's have a little look. Again, still ultimate sells, even with the hold of the interest rates, still ultimate sells. Positions you could really get in for today. It's hard because we're low, and I would say price coming down is what we want. What are you looking for, Kels? Are you looking for the shorts as well? When we go and break even. Sorry, when am I going to break even? Sorry, when am I going to break even? Why don't you ask me another question like, oh, Mace, when are you going to kiss a dude? Or, Mace, when are you going to start wearing, like, knickers? Or, Mace, when are you going to start wearing tight, skinny jeans? Why don't you just ask me that question, bro? We don't go break even around here. We don't do break even. It's stop loss or TP. Stop loss or TP. Oh no, what is happening with EU? Oh no, I can't go on the chart. Fuck! How are we still in this as well? How are we still in this? Wait, hold on, are we still in? We're somehow still in. Okay, wait, where's my stop loss? Okay, no, we're still in. Whoa! We still in. But we don't go stop loss over here, bro. It's stop loss or TP. Stop loss or TP. I think, yeah, that's stop. And we're out. This market has been awful for the buyers recently. This is a perfect example. A perfect example. We're unlucky on that one. Where is this coming from, this major selling, though? Trump's speech has still got about 5 hours. Sadir, please stop inviting me to a live, bro. I just hit stop loss on the trade, and I'm sick of you inviting me to a fucking live. Nothing major. Wow, we saw a massive flip as well, even with the yen, even with gold. Do we have the same on GU? Exact same on GU. Very unlucky on that move, boys. Double shares going on the earning automatic. Oh, we had some earnings come out. Here we go. Euro stocks again. Oil. Okay, I want US. Would you want to governor officer? Express with okay, yeah. So that's. I mean, that's not really bullish dollar though at all. Are you sinking, bro? We're gone. Sadir calls in the cells, bro. I'm gonna do this guy. Do you know what I mean? He's trying to invite me to the live, saying, "Mate, imagine one of these guys actually keep inviting me. One time I join and they say, yeah, I'm in fucking my TP's your stop loss or that shit. I'll go to prison for that. I'll be honest. I'll batter him in. I'll do time for that. I'll be doing time, boys. Now buy EU, bro. Oh wait, G, no, don't take it personally, bro. Wait, he's not taking it personally, is he? Lord, I thought you better. Lord, I thought better of you. one BE on that. Thank fuck. No, we don't go break even around here, boys. We don't go break even. Is it? Yeah, so EU's gone. Let's see what the next move is for EU then. Assuming it is now continuing to the downside. We'll see what this next move is. Can you see any setups on GC in a smaller time frame? If anything with GC, I'd want price back to the upside. Complete wrong chart. I'd want to see price back to the upside. But again, honestly, price could definitely just continue to the downside now. In terms of getting into anything, I want to see price around here for the sells. We're still within sort of, we're still in like yay leg, innit? We're still in this leg, this high to this low. And we've not actually continued back down to grab this low, so I feel like allowing that next move to happen is key. So maybe try, if you can't get in the shorts, I'd wait. But price will come back up at some point. 100%. Price will definitely come back up at some point. EG moving though. Moving. Okay, I maybe should have said that about you dudes in EG, because I think it's come back and to bite me in the dick. I think you need to have a chat to Lou about BE. Yeah, Lou goes break even, but boys, I'm not going break even. I'd rather lose one of my tests than go break even. Never. Never, ever, 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 ever. No point. Losses are fantastic. Let's see. I'll be honest, I had such a tight stop loss, I think that's what's going to fuck me. I mean, to be fair, with even covering these lows, you're quite close to getting stopped. We'll see how this move goes. If we don't break this low, we'll look for it to continue up top. We'll look for it to continue up top, Riv. I think you need to have a draft. You need break even, lol. Do I? Why would I need break even? Why does anyone need break even, man? Why does anyone need break even? Because everyone, for some reason, says it's to stop losing. But people never talk about when you stop the winning. And that happens just as much times as the losers. And you get fucked. Because even if you lose the amount, even if you miss the same type of winners to losers, which you probably won't, you probably miss more winners than losers if I'm being brutally honest, then you're probably going to end up unprofitable. So that's why no one needs break even. No one needs break even. Ever. Gonna set off heavy unit trades, mates. What you see with GU? I will have to wait now, really. Genuinely just have to wait. If I covered these lows, I would have been still in. So maybe it's just not covering the lows. That stop loss was silly. Was awful, really. Not covering those lows was stupid. I'm not, but I would say I honestly think GC is probably just going to move down now, if I'm being honest, because it just is the next leg move. I mean, again, the good thing is we are coming into sort of these 5-minute areas. I mean, there's no fair value there, but we're coming into these sort of areas, so it's acceptable. I know, stop loss at low. Oh, don't do that, bro. Wait, don't even do that. It was the good stop loss. I don't know why I had such a big stop loss. I think it generally, I was just trying to rush it, and then it was like a 1-to-1. That was just a fuck up of a trade on my behalf, man. Big fuck up. Easy buyers on GU. I honestly think there probably is, because that's the exact level I'm looking at. Look at gold. Has gold come down? Oh shit, lovely. We need such a bigger move down though. It's lovely, but we still need a bigger move down in order for us to really start seeing a position to the upside. I'm still in E, you didn't stop me out, but what the fuck? Yeah, trust me, bro. No, I'll be honest, if you're still in, you had the right stop loss. I had a stupid stop loss, man. Stupid stop loss. I deserve to lose there, to be brutally honest. Bro, why you didn't look gold? What? Can you look gold, bro? Why you didn't look gold? What do you mean, bro? You got me confused as hell. This is gold. I'm still waiting for it to come down lower, innit? Really. I'm still looking for gold to come sort of down to these areas, at least. Preferably come take Asia's low, because then that would mean we've actually completed the Asia move. Which is, obviously, sweeping this higher, come back down to this low. I mean, I don't really mind about that. But I at least want to sweep something to the sell side before having the move up. Exactly what we saw yesterday, honestly, the same fucking thing. I honestly think GU's probably gonna come up here. We normally actually don't even have a fair value. Keeping ourselves up, man. GU, you wouldn't have gone anywhere near the stop, which would have been way nicer, to be brutally honest. Again, 1 to 1.7. Stop giving me these fucking RRs, man. Bro, please look at gold. Bro, I'm gonna smash one of you guys' heads in a minute. Bro, I've just been speaking about gold like 3 times. I still want to see price come lower. I still want to see price come down. I still want to see this. Oh, that's a bit too much. But I want to see price at least grab these lows. We'll see if we can't grab those lows. And then we'll sort of look for the reaction back up. But yeah, I still want to see gold come down a little bit lower than where we're at now. Yeah, we need EU and Genie to push up. That RR is just not doable. Oi Sam, how about I murder you? Again, I probably should have said that on TikTok. Okay, now I've swiped down. Sam, how about I kill you? Take your legs off and shit. Take your arms off and just beat you. Just fucking just have you to myself sort of thing. You know what I mean? Have my way with you, if you may. Okay, that went too far. Okay, let's go back on TikTok so I can't say that shit. Bro, fucking moving, you motherfucker. The thing is, I don't think we can actually really confirm if we're going to start moving up. I mean, I guess we can only really confirm if we start breaking this high that we're actually going to continue this move. GU was definitely pretty nicer. Men would love that. Bro, I just realised this whole time I put the lot size for GU, not even for EU. Don't even fucking hell. I mean, it's the exact same pretty much. Why does this not on? I think this one's moving better, man. Sure. How's EG going? Fucking indecisive, just like a female. Fucking hell, that was such a joke with EG sometimes. Such a joke. This is GE, by the way. Did you open GU long? I'm not in this long, no, I'm not in this long. Someone on the TikTok just asked me what am I looking at for GU. And I'll be honest, GU I'm still looking to come up. I don't know about EU. EU's been a bit of a cheeky bastard, but... I'm not in any gold trades, bro. No. No, I haven't been really, bro. Honestly, we'll look for what we could really have here for this move back up. We'll have to see, bro. We'll have to see. Again, I still want to see gold come lower. Boy, should we full port a 10k account? Yes or no? I want yes or no in the YouTube chat, bro. And TikTok. There's only like 9 of you man in here, but... TikTok, should we full port a 10k ACG for the banter of it? I'm not in GU. But I do want to get a full port on gold. Mainly a gold trade's what I want a full port today. Or anything. Full port on gold. I like your thinking, Jungs, bruv. I like your thinking. Right, let's quickly buy a 10k account. 40. By the way, boys, shout out ACG, bro. ACG, by the way, man, I'll be real, they've got shit sorted for me bare quick. Like, with any 10Ks for 40. Like, these men are actually the bollocks, really. 10k Pro. Why is it not working? Oh, I meant to click on it. Oh, there we go. 10k MT5 on bi-weekly payouts or spreads. No EAs. Boys, if I can give this account away as well, I'll fucking give it away. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'll see what I can do. Let me buy this account. I mean, all I see... She's a little banger. I actually have this one in time. Right, I just got a new account. Let's log in. I'm going to log in on my other phone. Oh, I need to charge. Let me charge his phone and I'll log in on my other phone so I can actually show you TikTok. Your phone's turning on, or do I need to batter someone's head in? We'll play trading GU, brother. GU is what we're looking at today. And gold, really. Is this getting late now? Hey now. Da 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 da. Can't tell the difference. Bro, what is your RR? This is like 3R, I think. Just under 3R. Tell me your RR. How about if I batter your head in? Just saying. But imagine, just imagine. No, I don't have a fixed RR, bro. This man, no, this is like a 1 to 289, bro. If I had fixed RR, bro, holy shit, bro, I'm gonna have to wait for this. Right, I've got this account, boys. I'm gonna be on live for the next hour and a half. Let's see what full port we can get on this 10k ACG account. I think it's, well, I want to say gold, but bro, we can't full port gold if gold ain't fucking moving. Realistically, we cannot full port gold if it ain't moving. This GU's holding itself pretty well, which is great, but I'm not fucking in it. Mate, you trade gold. I don't trade gold, bro. No fixed risk management. No fixed risk management. No, not fixed RR, bro. Fixed risk in terms of trade, but not in terms of reward. My risk is a fixed 1%, but my reward depends on the trade. It's average, well, it's between about 2.5 to about 3.5 R. It's where my sort of average R lies. My risk is fixed, my reward isn't. EG is so erratic, I know, bro. It's like fucking, I know, mate, to be fair. But it fucking is, bro. It's the most ranging market. It's actually fucking horrible to watch some days, not gonna lie. I mean, this week is, yesterday was the only day we really had something in it, where you can actually move, but I mean, fucking hell, it was a bit of a painful one, wasn't it? What's your favourite pairs to trade? EU and GU. Only ever be EU and GU, I'll be honest. I can't be bothered to look at something else. EU and GU used to treat me so well over the years, I wouldn't change, you know, I would never change. Ride or die EU, GU, bro. 4 hour CRT. 4 hour CRT. What's that? Sorry, what's that on Vish? GU. I want to go Bali too. Yeah, we was thinking about going Bali. We was thinking of going with a few of the members. But the only thing is, bro, we've never gone away with our members before. We know we'd have about fucking at least 20 to 30 people wanting to come, which we'd have to either get a fucking little village or a fucking absolute silly gaff, which I'm sure Bali probably don't even have. So like fucking, I say we just get a fucking castle. Right, let's log into this account. GU, kind of wait up for me, brother. I want to get in you. Let's go. I reckon EUG, if you're an EUG, I reckon you're calling, bro. I'll be honest with you, I think you're calling. I think you're good. Bebo, I appreciate the follow, my broski. By the way, boys, like I just said, man, I was about to show the account, and fucking hell, I was not letting you man do that again. Let's have a little, let's get into the SMT5 account, actually. What did this bitch just say? What the fuck was the intro to that tune? I'm gonna have to turn up. We're all gonna hear this. We're all gonna listen. We're gonna sit here and listen to that.
Fellas, I'm ready to get up and do my thing. I want to get into it, man, you know. Like a sex machine, man. Moving, doing it. Can I count it on?
What the fuck?
Can I count it on? Like a sex machine, man. Like a sex machine, man.
Right, we are logged in. We're locked and loaded for the 10k, man. Just trying to doom and shit. Can't get away from these streams. Do you not like them, Josh, or do you like them, bro? Bro, what a weird intro, bro. What a weird intro to a tune. Very weird intro. Gold all-time high gonna go again for sure, brother. Like I said, trying to doom, scroll and poop. Sometimes, bro, you're gonna find better shit somewhere else other than fucking on TikTok, I'll be honest. Dude, that ain't even that bad, bro. Fucking Silver was better than... Bro, I told you, Lord. I've been saying this for fucking years, bro. What do you think about closing trades early? I think it's my biggest problem. Honestly, bro, just fucking grow up. No, I'll be honest, bro. Just fucking let your trade hit stop loss. Or TP. Like, bro, like, honestly, stop closing trades early, bro. If it's gonna stop loss, like, firm it. Like, genuinely just firm it. Accept it. Because sometimes it's all in your head. Sometimes, more time, those trades aren't even gonna hit stop loss. But sometimes in your head, you need to be like, okay, cool, you know what, I'm gonna accept a loss here. But even if you don't accept it, or I'm sorry, even if it doesn't hit stop loss, and it comes back and flies to TP, at least either way, you don't give a shit. But just, like, losses aren't a bad thing, bro. Like, losses are, right now, losses are more important to you than winners, man. I'll be so real with you. But ultimately, grow up, bro. Ultimately. I don't know why, but it kind of makes me feel weird knowing that dude was on the toilet taking a shit whilst watching my live. Like, bro, like, had his wiener out whilst watching my live. Like, bro, I know there's a decent handful of you dudes on the YouTube, but I swear to God, I swear at no point I beg you watch my stream and have your wiener out in any way. Even if you're shitting, even if you're pissing, man, put me in a different room. I don't want to know. Don't even tell me. Just, you can do it, but just don't. No, don't even do it, actually, bro. So at one time, never have your wiener out and my stream on, like, close to each other. Because that's, in my opinion, that's fucking gay. Still here. So you still here with your wiener out, even though you did complain about you... What was the complaint about? Do that on a regular basis, mate. Fuck you, Brad. Brad's just got his wiener out next to me constantly. To be fair though, man, us dudes, we shit a lot, man. I'll be honest, I shit a lot. I didn't even think girls shit until I was probably about 13, 14. Until my little sister grew up a bit. And I can confirm they shit. But bro, I didn't think girls shit. All day, listen to it. All day, Dre, listen to it. What's that, sorry? Is that a song? Josh. I thought I was the only one who do it. Nah, bro, I think everyone does it. Yo, bro, what do you look at for your fundamentals? What do you check to see weak euro, weak pound, for example? Honestly, bro, let me put this song on from Josh. If I'm being honest, bro, it's one of those things where you have to gather data. It's all about data. It's all understanding what's actually going on in all economies right now. Okay, as we know, we're not really doing great for the dollar. Many reasons could put us into a brand new lockdown, which again would fuck us. If we get put into another shutdown, sorry, not lockdown, another shutdown for the government, Congress aren't passing a bill, very economically uncertain for the dollar, which again just will drive the dollar down and would drive the markets a bit more risk on in that sense. Or you've got good data coming, like right now you've got decent data coming out of the UK, so this is why we're looking to short EG, because we're kind of strong on the pound, and a bit weaker on the euro. But I think the narrative of the market right now is dollar weakness, and we've seen that through, not massively through data, but more through sort of more of a geopolitical and a bit more of a fiscal point of view instead of a monetary point of view. But they are probably looking to cut their interest rates in the future, which is going to continue those bets on the lower dollar. And GU was the one. I fucking knew it as well. I seen it before I fucking placed it, bro. I'm a donor. I'm an absolute donor. I've traded this session awfully. But let's see if we can get what we can do on this 10k account. Fuck you, Flick. Sorry, what's this guy? All day Dre, did you say? Is it all day Dre? No, just see. Alright, Josh. Josh is with the Richesse vibes. I like it, bro. Love it. Love that shit. Is there any way you can check to keep ahead of time in a way? Like this knowledge you're spitting, I have no clue. Would love to know where and how to keep ahead of time and find out. Honestly, bro, the best way to keep in track is watch Bloomberg every day for one. Watch Bloomberg every single day. And then also watch or keep up to date with all of the data. If you've got those two, I promise you'll just keep up to date. But I'll be honest, you need to understand first, yeah, Bloomberg spelled with, spelled like this. Bloomberg. Type that up on YouTube. They're live every single day. I'll be honest, boys. I've watched it every day for the last like 3.5 years. Am I in this? No. Unluckily, Lou, I got into EU, which of course had this really weak move in comparison to GU, which only had like this move. So I was in this EU, which got stopped out. I had a really tight stop, so I got in late because someone was talking to me on TikTok. I had an awful one here, bro. And I said, whilst I was placing it, GU looked so much better, and it fucking did. It's coming up very nice. But I'm going to look for the continuations back up. We've just bought a 10k account. We're going to full port the fuck out of it and see if we can catch those continuations on the way back up. It's a motherfucker. We won him beautifully on this bitch, though. Beautifully. Is that like a news channel? Yeah, it's a news channel. You can watch it on YouTube live every day. They're live on YouTube every day. But let's see what we can do on this account. I really want GBP USD. Let's make sure I've got that and we can actually start trading it. Let me get lot sizes ready as well. Unlucky. GJ run nicely from the London Live. Lovely stuff. Where are we at with GJ? Are you in the shorts for it? Or the longs for it, sorry. That GU is running so well. So well. Let's see how it reacts to the DTO though. Let's see how it reacts to the DTO. This coffee was not stirred properly, holy shit. Blatantly shown by the fucking bottom of the line. Oh, the GJ Long's lovely. I still want to see price down into this area, to be honest, for like New York session move. London move is running perfectly. Let me get up on chart. I don't really want to get rid of this. I'll just keep the levels. What actually was the entry here? Oh, we'll just keep that like that. Where's tips at? Where's tips? Just at a high. It's a really good TP as well because it saves yourself if price does start moving down. Phil, what we saying, broski? How we going, man? Gee, what a lovely. Yeah, bro, it's lit. I'm high on technicals, but I'm really trying to get in fundamentals. Honestly, bro, the mix of both is a joke, and it helps you psychologically so well, innit? Nah, I didn't get in GU. I got in EU, which stop loss. Well, actually, I don't think. To To be fair, I don't think people in the live did because I think most people had stopped saving the low. Honestly, bro, I got in so late. I was explaining the position. No, I wasn't even explaining the position. Someone told me to look at gold. I can't even remember what it was. And I come back to the chart. No, I saw it in the chat. Someone said about EU. And it already come back to entry. So then we try to enter lower and have a bit of a tighter stop so we can get a better TP. And yeah, we got stopped out by this big move which happened here. And most people it saved. So most people are still in the EU. I just got in a very quick stop loss. It was just on that 200 challenge. But now we're kind of looking for more re-entries on GU. I say we just fucking look for the long-ins. So we full port this 10k, see how we go. I think we're gonna have to. What we're really gonna have to go. Silver level time high, golden fire next 3 hours, 100%. 100%. But we want to risk high percent on this. We want to go through. It's only it's not a big trade. It only takes 6%. It get us massively up there though. GU. Where's EG? Need that 5 to close. Let's have a look at silver as well. Fucking hell. Honestly, it's fucking nuts. Especially considering gold's just sat where it's at and silver's done that in the space of, mate, an hour? That is insane. Maybe a few hours actually. Maybe, yeah, about a few hours. But that is mad. Yeah, again, fucking hell. This is the thing about gold. You can tell when it wants liquidity when it's just not moving. And again, I think a move down first, initially, sweeping lows, or even more lows, would put us in a really nice area to go ahead and long. Same as what sort of happened yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, same thing happened yesterday. Like, we weren't really moving. Obviously, it happened a lot quicker. But like, up until, actually no, up until like 2:45, we didn't take any liquidity or move. And then come 3 o'clock, we swept liquidity, then move. Bear in mind, it's only 20 past 2 now. So we've actually still got a lot of time for something like that to play out. So again, we'll wait and see, lads. We'll wait and fucking see. We will wait and see. Lovely trade through as well on GU to break this higher. So again, lovely bullish structure, which is exactly what we need if we want to continue this move back up. We'll see the momentum on the TP because we could even come for the Friday highs, so we could actually aim for a bit more. Push that to 2.5 R. Obviously. But yeah, I do really want to see gold come down before it goes up. That's what if I'm being honest, that's kind of what I want to see. I think that is the most favourable move, especially because we've just not had a move, and like exactly what we saw yesterday, this is what Price wanted to do. Let's go back to GJ. Is GJ running nicely still? Nice, bro. Let's go. Keep moving. Strong pound, exactly what we needed. Exactly what we want here. This retracement move back up is beautiful though. Oh, I'm getting belled. Keep moving, bitch. Keep moving, boy. The momentum we got on the pound is lovely. Pound strength finally showing itself. Yeah. What positions have we got in today then, boys, so far? Because I think, again, the buyers and sells today have been playing out, man. They've been playing out. Yeah, no, it does. Silver does fly. I think it is a lot easier to trade gold because it wants to come back to certain areas before doing a certain big move. Go for GJ, we hit TP. Come on, hit TP, bro. Hit TP. Come on, bro. Let's go, Nick. Having a bit of fun as well, bro. Who's bad true? Who's this Andrea Virani? Never heard of this dude. This dude. Yeah, this could be the leg for EG. This could be the EG move now. I don't want an arm, that's alright, man. That's nice for the payback. Well, what did you place, Nick? Oh, wow. No, 2.5. Oh, nice. I got 2.5. Lovely, boy. I pussied out and closed. You don't listen to a word I fucking said. Why did you close? Wait, what did you close? What trade did you close? What did you close? GU? You motherfucker. Let that be a lesson. What was it that you closed? GU or GJ or something? Come on, GJ, hit TP, bro. Come on. EG buys, you know, basically. He's moving, innit? What a cheeky move that EU had, bro. Why did he even fucking do that? It didn't even want to go down. It didn't even want to drag. Bro, he just wanted me, bro. He genuinely just wanted me. EU stop loss was too small and GJ pussied out. See, I was a donut with the EU stop loss as well, and of course EU is now running really nice. Jew's gone. This was actually this entry we got here is actually the second entry, which you could have placed. Fuck you. They say stop loss runs is not a thing. I promise you, bro. Stop hunting is a thing. I can assure you that. Like people don't try and take our liquidity, obviously, because our liquidity is fuck all to them. But it's the banks versus banks, and we might have same positions that, but there is institutional grabs of liquidity. That is a fact. I can assure you that. This game works off orders, man. GJ, don't reverse now, you cheeky bastard. It's kind of where I was looking to short GJ. Where's the 5-minute trade for? Hopefully we TP before we come down though. GU, EU. Follow the Richesse rules and you'll be all good. No cap, man. No cap. It's true. It's true. Goals flicking up. Motherfucker. Get back down, man. We want to see that to come down a little bit more at the bare minimum. At a bare minimum. There was news. What news do we have on EU? There must have been some form of news. Anything on PRQ? Hopefully, Vish. And then just continue sort of the Asia movement on. I do kind of hope so. I hope so. What European news have you got? Some fucking New York town. Wait, I ain't even in New York town, bro. What time is this guy? What time is this? Yeah, oh no, yeah, we know there was the unemployment, that was weak for the dollar. Unemployment come out weak, and so did the other news. What was the other news, sorry? That's it, the trade balance come out really bad for the dollar as well. So again, buying is definitely in order, lads, 100%, 100%. I was just a little bit silly with my position. That is what Russian gets you, man. Gets you fucking nowhere. Gets you losing trades. I'm trying to see if there was actually saying, because the move didn't happen at 1:30. The move happened at quarter to 2. So there must have been something going on. Where's Nasdaq? Oh, Nasdaq's come down there. To be fair, we have had a little pump up in the DXY. It might be right. Right, we'll still want to see gold come down. GU hopefully you can come down a bit more than now. We've got 3% risk trade here. Each looks slow. GU's what you want to be on. For the love of God, let me put this in London time. You load for me? I've got a limit for GU, yeah. Just for that 10k, just for the fuck of it. Why is this not loading, bro? What the fuck? And also, what the fuck is this tune? It didn't change it to UK time. Innit? Gold doesn't know what the fuck he wants to do, man. We'll see what he does at DTO. That will maybe be the turning point for it. This is what we're looking at right now, mate. It's gold. But coming back in, this is GU. No, we didn't have anything. We didn't even have any news. We didn't have any news. Looks like they just wanted to sell the market in. Yeah, I'm in that GU entry right now. Lovely stuff, Joseph, bro. Nice, man. What are you aiming for? So yeah, it wasn't actually news that caused the move down. But mate, I literally just got fucking touched by the markets there. You're still with EU, lovely stuff. Fuck you, but lovely stuff, innit? It's alright. Touch here, bro. I got touched here, here, and here. You touch me here, here, and here. Yeah, Gold's been a bastard, bro. Gold is being a fucker. Is what it is, though, man. Again, though, we do want to see price come down ultimately, and somewhat come for these lows. So, and we saw the same thing happen yesterday. 3 o'clock when we had the sweep of liquidity and the move up. So, you just gotta be patient for it. You know? How come you took buys, bro? We're bullish, man. Hey, though, we're bullish on the EGU. In terms of the higher time frame. I want to see that continuation of price back up, man. But yeah, I think the gold buys is really what I want on this account. But just fuck me, do you want to come down? You're short gold. Where are you shorting gold to, Josh? You better be lying, otherwise I'm going to take a brick to your fucking teeth. I was thinking we need a rebalance. We've had a deep enough rebalance really yesterday, bro. And if we look at the 4 hour, this is the high, this is the low. The price of retrace into the golden zone of the OTN, and now we've started to have the move up. So I'm looking for price to sort of continue to move on to the external after filling the internal on the floor. That's sort of where I'm at with the chart, bro. Plus, bearing in mind, we do have 4 hour CRT to the upside now. We closed that candle, so now it's even nicer for the 4 hour. Bear in mind, it's a bearish candle in the bullish scenario. In other words, fucking golden. Exact same thing as you. CRT on our side for the 4 hour. In fact, CRT is definitely gone to be there. Change that to I know, Josh. There we go. Come on, gold. Let's have that move. Come on. Lovely. In it, man. Trust me, bro. Nah, but no, he did it the last few days, and he did get our break even, to be fair. Smart move, and I don't think he's going to get in those sort of positions again. But I still want to see gold come down, though, man. I still want to see gold come down to come back up. Honestly, that would probably be the most positions I want to get on this sort of full port 10k account. You still need a bit more of a nicer move down. At the same time, I don't really want DXY to be bullish. Off DTO with GU. Have we actually come to the DTO? We've not really come off the DTO yet, so we'll see the move off. But honestly, I think price could definitely end up coming for the CRT high, which is essentially today's whole move, really. But again, I'm sort of fixated on gold, because gold's actually started to have that decent move down in its most recent 5-minute candle. Sort of, anyway. I mean, it looks like it's come straight back up, but I do want to see price come to sort of these lows. Even just that, even just the London low, really. So we can go in and continue price on. Just for a decent entry. Yeah, bro. GU is decent to enter. Honestly, GU buys are great. Again, but it's quite a late entry. It's like a re-entry we're looking for here in this sort of scenario. We really TP'd on the first GU we had. But yeah, even GU buys is sort of the narrative. No. Yeah, brother, you know it. Oh, EU, GU, chill out, pal. Chill out, mate. EG nearly TP as well. How long does it take to fully understand and get good at trading? Honestly, bro, it depends on the path you take, and obviously if you're learning the right stuff. Like, you could, like, some of your trades could take a couple years. Oi, 98 viewers, boys. Get the fucking views up to 100 now on YouTube. Boys, first time New York Church, 100 viewers. By the way, boys, if you're not on here, come jump on the YouTube. This is where I'm mainly live. I've been live for the last 2 hours. Just trading the New York Church. Join up on there, man. Just hit 25k subs on there as well, man. That's shit. Jay Powell is speaking now. Do you think that's why the EU shit the bed? No, he's talking. He's talking. I mean, EU shit the bed at like 1:45, bro. So I don't think so. I don't think so, really. EG's about to hit TP. The first GU's about to hit TP. Annoyingly, we couldn't get that re-entry again on the 10k full pull. Annoyingly. Looks like gold is starting to have this push back up as well, which is fucking annoying. But yeah, like what I was saying, bro, some people, honestly, some people could jump into trading and learn like the wrong stuff for fucking a few years, innit? And then never really fully understand trading. Or you could be someone like Jed, for example, someone who came into our group like quite early on in his trading, and now he already fucking understands how like economically, if like the all central banks actually affect the local currencies. And what positions to go for and what strategy to use. So I think it just depends on how you if you're lucky enough, because there's so many people get scammed into some bullshit. But I'd say to get profitable and actually good at it and understand fundamentals and technicals and all that, at least a couple years, bro. But put it in this perspective, man, it takes about 4 years to complete a uni course, be about 40-50 grand in debt, and only get a job that can probably max when you're probably about 40 years of age, 50 when you're probably about to retire, start earning 100 grand a year. In my opinion, man, it's a fucking good route to go down. Even if it does take you even longer, 3, 4, 5 years. Worth it. Right, gold's just rubber banding, bro. Going up and down in this most recent 15-minute candle. GU as well is pissing me off. We couldn't get a re-entry. Hopefully it does come back down, though, for the re-entry. I really hope it does. Been in a swing position since yesterday to that external high for EU. Nice, Ian, bro. Love that. Nice. Is that on the prop firm account? Which trades did you take? I took the EU. Sadly, stop loss. But we're trying to get into this GU re-entry here, which hopefully we can get back into. I honestly wish I was just in GU anyway. I knew I should have placed a GU over the EU. I knew it. A strong pound at the moment. Gold will push up. Where are you looking? What, are you looking for gold to push up now? You reckon, bro? Come on, GU. Gold coming back down, which is nice. Get back down, mate. Anyone from 1997 remember this song? Didn't refresh it anymore. Holy shit. EG, we TP'd? Motherfucker. GJ, we TP? Motherfucker, bro. Nor the trade through as well. What a painful ass. This is nice though. Considering we've not traded through, I can only assume GJ is going to continue up to that TP. So I actually like that. That is nice for that. That is nice for that, man. So hopefully we can get gold trade lower. Go on, GJ. Fucking move, son. GU, chill out a little bit though. Calm down. Calm down. If the only thing that would not want me getting this trade is if we come up to DTO reverse and then start coming to entry, then I'll probably cancel it. Because I don't want to have a DTO move off of this leg here, which could pan out really. EU is so weak. EU's, yeah, it's the Euro. The Euro's not got anything about it right now. It's still pushing up ever so fucking slightly. But again, mainly off the dollar weakness. That's why GU's better to trade, because the pound's actually got the pound strength. The Euro's not really got anything strong about it right now. She's a bitch. Rich is a bitch. Mr. Shabize, I'm not joining your live, bro. Fuck's sake, man. Yeah, it's only, when you say gold's gonna push up, what do you mean by that, bro? Give me a bit more context. Do you think it's gonna move up now, or what? Biggest pump or biggest dump? We're seeing those US yields actually start popping up a little bit. Goes against us a little. The Euro's actually finding its footing a little bit here. That's alright. That's alright. We want to see gold still flip below that 555 mark. Really back towards about 5450. Maybe that's a bit low actually. Where is that actually on the bottom? Oh no, yeah, about 470. I'll take 450. Below 450 would be ages low. I mean, if we take that, bro, fucking sweet. But honestly, I just low would be nice for me. Are we live again tomorrow? Bro, I don't think bro knows this yet. We're live every single trading day forever. Every trading day, every Monday through Friday, we are live forever. Ever. Bro, I'm going to be 70 to 80 years of age and I will still stream the New York session and Lou will still be streaming the London session, I swear down. Unless we die before then. We die before then, but we will until, even on my deathbed, bro, I'll still be doing pre-London. I'll still be doing pre-London at 6:30, and I'll still be doing New York stream at 12:30. 100%, every single day, bro. Did the same thing for the last couple of years. We'll do the same thing for many, many years to come. Is this Bitcoin? Nah, this is Euro USD we're looking at right now, bro. Oh, yes, we've seen gold below 5.5. There we go, bro. Come on, gold. What's the time? It's just before 3 o'clock. Let's have a repeat, son. Let's have a fucking repeat. Got ourselves ready for this. Oh, yo, oh. I'm on gold. Keep going down, please, brother. Keep going down. Well, I'm looking for gold longs in that 5 minute. I'm going to go to order block and introduce that swing low in London. Fair play, brother. Fair plays. Is it this gap here? Are you looking for? Did you say 5 minute? I mitigated order block. Are you talking about this level here? So this level. So I think no. EGTP? Fucking hell. GJTP? Fucking hell! Jesus Christ, bro. I'll be real, that looks so good for shorts now, bro. So good for shorts. But because obviously Lou had the GJ longs, I'm going to keep the long position on. I'll just keep it on for the sake of it. No, I'm not short in EU, bro. If anything, I look to long. But I'm mainly looking to long GU because the pound's stronger than the euro. So I'm more into GU than EU. Been in shorts since this morning. Lovely stuff, bro. What, shorts for what, Quincy Promise? Yeah, EG's a pain pair, bro. It is a pain pair. Like, really? You taking the fucking piss? Bro. Wait, bro, what the fuck is wrong with this New York session? Is it just me, or have we been like flicking down, flicking up, flicking down, like moving up a little bit, flicking down, moving up a little bit? Fucking hell. How about you go to entry? EU but a retrace on me, but TP or stop loss. That's it, bro. TP or stop loss. Where did you short from? I'll be honest, this is the EU short I had this morning on the pre-London. I didn't place it because it's against trend. I actually should have placed it on my challenge account. I'm beating myself that I didn't. That's what I've done, so might need to just close trading view. Yeah, that is the aim, boys. I mean, I can't really do it because I'm on stream, unless we sit here and play GeoGuessr between about fucking 80 of us. To be fair, whilst we're waiting for gold to continue down a bit further, and we're waiting for GU, I don't want to miss this position though on GU. Brown Boy invited you to co-host with two others. What's his name? Brown Boy. So I'm going to go ahead and decline that. Not from a racial perspective. DXY playing with a 1 hour order block. DXY loves fucking about, man. Give us a rest, mate. Give us a rest. At least the breaks of these lows. $800 target Friday low. Nice, bro. How much would you say is enough money to start trading? Mate, if I'm being honest, bro, what I'd always say if you're starting trading is like don't have an amount of money. Make your journey easy. Still have a job. If you're gonna trade London session, which I advise if you're from the UK, or from anywhere in Europe for that matter, then I'd say get like a pot, like uncomfortably. I know it's shit. Whatever it might be, just do a job that allows you to trade in the morning and earn from a job at night. That's sort of what I did, boys. I mean, I was luckily I was working for family, so luckily I was able to trade whilst working. I was getting to work at like 9 o'clock, so I'll be able to trade the majority of London session at Gaff, walk to work, and then still be on my computer for the next like 2-3 hours to finish London. So I was quite lucky in that sense. But I'd say have a job around it. Like, don't just have like 10 grand and then leave your job and then start trading that. I wouldn't say do that. And plus, trading's not dear. Like, if you've got the right mentor, don't charge a lot. Like, one of the reasons why we don't. And also, you just buy prop firm accounts and use those to learn. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. And you're not even going to spend a lot. But I'd say build it around it. When does London session open? I normally say European session is the most important part because we have a lot of the European central banks opening at 7 a.m. We've got Frankfurt open, we've got the Spanish open, Italian open, French open. So yeah, 7 a.m. is the best time to actually start seeing a European build up of volume. 8 a.m. is when we have the UK open and when we have equity market open in Europe and in the whole of Europe. So 8 a.m. is the best time to place trades. 7 a.m. is the best time to actually be on the market and watch price play out and watch the volume build up in whatever direction it may be. EG, man, what's it? It's just reversing. Oh, fuck it. Whoa, bro. Wow, it's like reversed 50% of his profits. Fucking hell. What about GJ? Right, boys, I'll be real, we have to get in short. I'm so sorry if you're in short, if you're in long water. Mate, the pip on it is just crazy work, bro. Oh, bro, I bet wish I kept my fucking position on the chart, man. GU is coming back up now as well. Right back up to 50% of the profits. How long did it take you to go from demo to a live account? I'll be honest, bro, I was mainly always trading prop firm accounts. Like, I never really traded demo because, mate, like, I'll be honest, I was always so good on a demo, but mate, I hated that. And I didn't really lose, like, I was always sort of winning trades and that. Like, mate, you just don't even learn. Like, but as soon as I started jumping on prop firm, it's like bare losing. And to be honest, mate, I just fell in love with fucking the challenge. But I fell in love with prop firm challenges. Bare hard. It makes sense because, I mean, nowadays, like, they drop the raw, like, time frame rule about how long you've got to do it in, which I respect a lot. I think it's perfect. The rules around prop firm accounts are perfect. The targets are perfect. The drawdowns are perfect. I think they're fucking amazing. I think prop firm accounts are the best thing that we have in this day and age for traders, for day traders, or swing traders for that matter. Best thing. So, bro, honestly, man, I've been trading prop firms since near enough the beginning. I was fully max funded with my Forex funds. A lot of people don't even know what firm that is. A lot of people didn't even start trading by the time we had fucking max funded MFF, and we got that all taken away, bro. But like, we used to, like, MFF were who we with. When me and Lou started trading, MFF was the prop firm, FTMO and MFF. MFF obviously had cheaper prices, but it come out that it was spreading everyone. And which me and Lou started to see, because we noticed loads of our trades, we would just get spreaded out, or we just won't get entered. Many times we saw a lot of shit scenarios play out. So yeah, man, man, I don't know if anyone remembers those guys. MFF, Shakira. Oh, baby, man. No, bro, that song's going on, man. That guy's absolutely banging. It's an absolute banger. Oh, my bad, I didn't know prop firm is a funded account. Oh, yeah. Well, prop firm offers prop firm accounts. That's the company. But prop firm is like, but prop firm's not like a new thing. It is the ones we know, isn't it? Oh, mate, I don't even want to talk. This is such a banger. My hips don't lie. But they not lie. Question is, do they actually not lie, innit? I think we need proof here, though. We can't really just go off word. We can't really go like off word of mouth. Well, it's not even word of mouth. Unless we've got word of mouth or proof, like visual proof. To me, all hips lie, I mean. You fucking banging though, like, in all honesty. It's good, bro. What, hey, Safe, how we doing, my familia? How we doing? What tricks is gold playing today? He's staying in the same fucking area. We're looking for gold to push down a little bit further so we can go ahead and long it. We want price to be in that more discount zone. So we want to see price come down a little bit more. I want to see a liquidity sweep around now. Sort of what we saw yesterday for the next leg up. To sort of to push through that 5-6 mark. 6k on gold next target is insane, man. It's insane. Mate, I might need therapy after EG. How's he doing? It's alright. No, bro, I'll be honest, you're good, man. You're good, bro. Nah, EG, we're still moving, bro. We're good. Complete wrong bit. Where is the, No, I've got this, bro. You're pretty good, though, really, on EG. I reckon you're sweet. I reckon you're good. We're still stronger pound over the euro, as a fact. So hold your position, stop being a fucking bitch, bro. Well, if we fall off this, okay, maybe not. Right, we're good. Keep your EG, bro, we're good. He's so unlucky, though, not to TP on that. No way. Are you taking the piss? Alright, mate, I don't like this bit. Fucking hell, shut up. It's only good when Shakira sings. Off the back of that, what tune can we bang on? Boys, after hips don't lie, what song pops into your head? Yes, Mr. Richesse. Call me Mr. Richesse. Okay, EG's actually getting brutalised here. Oh my days. No way it's going to do what happened the other day. No way it's going to do one of these. This happened to us Tuesday. Surely it's not going to do the same thing, is it? Like, near TP, move to stop loss. I got stopped out on UJ. Well, what was you trying to do on UJ? What was you trying to do? Don't tell me you're trying to buy. I'm going to start ignoring you people when you start asking me about UJ and shit. Can I ask you if your trading view have delay on candles or just mine because it's free? I mean, I pay for mine, bro. But I think trading view just is lagged anyway, even if you pay for it. It's not always like most instant. But that's why, like, on liquidity provider platforms, I'll be honest, you're going to be able to see. Like MT4 and MT5, that's sort of your real liquidity. Where price, oh, gold, yes, man, lovely. Continue down, please. Come on, yes. Okay, calm down now. That looks a bit aggressive. Holy shit, a bit aggressive. Now, calm down. Calm down. So maybe we need to replay hit phone right. Hold on. Because that's enough. It could be coming for Asia's low, in fact, actually. That could be next move. No, I can't actually listen to that fucking song anymore. That is a banger. Innit? Gold easy sell. Gold easy sell. Where are you selling to, bro? Show me your exact position, Mr. It's easy to sell gold at all-time highs. I've not heard that one before. Oh, let's put a little Madonna thing. Innit? Candle teleported, bro. Crazy work. After Asia's low is taken. We're looking for the longs up. Are we in this? We're not in this GU yet. We said this GU does. Oh, baby, we need to. Oh, this is the Madonna. I'm sure Josh told me to put this on yesterday. Alright, boys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Gold buyers. No, not yet, bro. We might as well wait for Asia's loan to get swept. Bro, Madonna, you pretty much got your moon out, bro. Don't go. What the fuck is this video? Can you get your books already? Alright guys, if you're on TikTok, come jump over on YouTube. This is where we're mainly live. You can see my full handsome penis. Oh my. Bro, can we tap into gold Asian low to be taken? Bro, we can tap into yeah, that's what I really want to see here. Did we see it sunk a bit? Not so, I hope not too much. Let's have a look. Okay, we should be good. We just need a pound to hold. Okay, right. We can't come up like this. Not again on EG. Okay, now I hope EG doesn't hit stop loss. Two completely different minds here. But again, let's have full focus on gold. We've actually swept Asia's low now. So we want to see the trade through on this. Let's just look at GU at another time. Should we go for a Ben Flips fair value there? Let's go for a Ben Flips fair value. Where the fuck is the rectangle? These gap in prices, where actually are we on GU? Okay, we're good. For the love of whoever's in EG Sam, for the love of you, brother, I hope we do move down. And for the love of myself. But again, gold looks tasty, bro. Let's see a trade through this vibe, and then we long him. What about GJ? How's GJ playing? Well, again, that's selling the pound, so I'd actually rather not that play out. But let's have a little look. We're actually in on that GU, 3% risk. This gold is going to be the next 3% trade here. GU, we currently entered. Let's see what price does. Why whenever we get entered is there this fucking like stupid candle that actually makes my animal a little bit tight. With a scary one. We'll see this 5 get traded through. This little gap in price, man. Don't know who the fuck felt the need to short gold like that. Buys in GU. We'll see how they go, man. We'll see how they go. I'll be honest, don't have your eyes on it. GU's moving a rattis, bro. Don't even have your eyes on it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to remove this thing on the left of my screen, so I keep looking at that, man. It's pissing me off a little bit. Slowly. Is God gonna give us the position? There's a gap below gold. Yeah, the new week opening gap. It's not even a new week opening gap. It's a new day opening gap. We might actually be coming for it as well. Yeah, bro, close your charts. Do it, bro. Close them. Close them. But honestly, bro, I'll be honest. Stop losses aren't a fucking problem. To be fair, if you're on a live account, I guess it's very different to the scenario I'm in right now. Full point on a 10k account. Let's see if we actually end up coming to this game. I'll be honest, I turned MT5 notifications off as well. We've come to the new day opening gap. Come to that weekly gap between Tuesday and Wednesday. G, you already paid me today. Lovely stuff. 3-5 from the shorts this morning. Nice, bro. Lovely. Fucking lovely, man. You just getting from the Asia high, I'm assuming. Asia sweet. Yeah, GJ's swerving, bro. Oh my days, bro. It actually stopped lost in the end. Look at that. That's so unlucky. That's so unlucky. Why do I feel like that's exactly what's going to happen on EG now? Like, if that happens on EG, bro, I swear down, I'll break any one of these monitors. Any of you man want. Yo, why is it whenever I enter, it just fucking drops this New York session? The reversals we've had this New York session have been fucking curveballs, bro. Gold is still going down as well. Chill the fuck out, Gold. Wow. I still can't actually get over this GJ trade, bro. What the fuck is going on here? What is this? Are we taking the piss? This is yen pips, so obviously a massively different size. Still only 2.4 yen pips. Wait, golden buyers might be the most insane things right now, though. That is the next full pull. Right, that 3% down on that account, though. That is insane. I can't believe that on GJ. But now this is the thing. The pound's now really weak, right? So this will probably stop loss as well. And look at that. 0.8 pip away from TB. News released at 3. I'll be honest, it wouldn't have been anything important if it was released at... It's nothing important if it was released at 3 today. What do we actually have at 3 p.m? Which is what time in New York? What time's that in New York? 10? 10 o'clock? It was definitely a London session today. The EU short, GU short, London session was the one. What was it? It's 10 o'clock. So we'll come out 10 o'clock for the US. The next big thing we got is the Trump speech later on tonight. Yeah, no, I'll be honest, no good news at 3 p.m. Not really any good news. Especially did take price off. Yeah, EG, bro. Again, bro, we've had some painful positions today. Mainly EG and GJ. I can't actually get over it. That's so unlucky. GU as well now. Like, bro, where is this bullish dollar come from, and why as well? Well, actually, we still got a first entry in profit, still in his trade. This one's gone now. And again, gold is just still falling, which I think is really nice. Anytime gold falls is actually perfect. We can actually have a 5-minute win as well. Pretty close. Let's see the 3 minutes for this candle. We'll see if it does. Back to the 5-4 handle as well. Yeah, we have had a heavy amount of bullshit today, Sam. Again, it was mainly today. It was mainly the morning move, which was the one. But let's see if we get this 5 trade through now. You better not kill the flow, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down. 4, 3, 2, 1. No way, bro. This one's even peaker than GJ. Stop loss on TV. I'll be real. He's going to stop loss. You can probably save yourself losing a bit of dough, but stop loss on TV, man. I'll be honest. You think you're getting away? I won't prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Boy, just come along. Hear me when I say, hey. Right, Let's see if we can come back with gold. See if we can come back with gold. We've got a minute and a half till this candle close, and then we could potentially be seeing a 5-minute trade for it. Looks like we're going to keep this 5 minutes as well, which is nice. Well, hopefully. Wow. Why? Why? Let's have a look. A stronger euro is putting ECB rate cuts back on the table. Fucking hell, really? Like 20 seconds turn now. But I use the volume below. Sorry, what are you saying, Safe? Sorry, bro. Should have gone BE on EG. Sam, stop, don't be a bitch, bro. Don't go BE, it's fine. Let's have a look. Yeah. Fucking see you, gold. What the fuck?
You better not kill the groove. It's murder in the dance floor. You better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down. It's murder on the dance floor. You better not kill
I guess that's kind of true. Mate, why did this candle open about this candle opened about 50 seconds late? Well, it's a 4-hour order block. It could do, bro. It's fucking really coming down. Fucking hell, mate. Yeah, defo, bro. Fuck me.